Finding a parking space at modern airports is quite problematic. The main reason for this phenomenon is the carelessness of drivers who are in a hurry to catch their flight and leave their cars randomly. To increase the attentiveness of such parking lots, a robot named Stan has been developed by the French company Stanley Robocs. The world's first robot ballet has appeared at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. Here's how the device works. The driver leaves their car in a small box, registers themselves in the system, and then goes to board the plane. The left car is then at the disposal of the robot. The device drives up under the car, clamps the wheels, lifts the vehicle above the ground with the help of special clamps, and delivers it to a separate, completely autonomous space that navigates the surrounding area with the help of LiDAR. Upon return, passengers can pick up their car from the same box. The amount of baggage lost annually by passengers at all airports in the world is exactly 25 million. To solve this problem, a special robotic system called Vanderland Fleet was created, which is already successfully operating at Rotterdam The Hague Airport. The fleet is a flexible integrated solution that eliminates the need for stationary conveyors and sorters. This technology involves the use of special robots that carry luggage only for a certain traveler. The principle of operation of such a system is as follows. The next passenger selects their flight using the touchscreen, and the device picks up the suitcase and safely delivers it to the desired aircraft along the optimal route. It is also interesting to note that the energy for the operation of such devices is generated by using solar panels, which allows handling 450 pieces of luggage per hour with zero emissions of harmful substances into the atmosphere. Kachin Airport in Kerala State is one of the largest in India with an area of more than 140,000 square meters. The airport has 46,150 solar panels located on 45 acres of land. Such a station generates about 560,000 kilowatts of electricity per day, which is more than enough to meet the airport's needs. We hope that this airport will set an example for other similar facilities and encourage their owners to switch to a green source of electricity. There are about 115,000 commercial flights every day, and the number is constantly increasing. As a result, the density of information on airport screens is also growing, which leads to confusion among passengers. Last year, a next-generation monitor was installed in the McNamara terminal of Detroit Airport. A misapplied science startup can project millions of light beams in different directions. After scanning the face through the camera of a digital kiosk, computer vision technology identifies the passenger and their location relative to the screen. After that, the system displays personalized information on the monitor that can only be seen from that viewing angle. At the moment a person moves relative to the display, the content automatically adapts, making it seem to the viewer that the display remains unchanged. So, 100 passengers can simultaneously look at the same board and see different information they need only. The baggage screening procedure is associated with a number of unpleasant moments, such as removing large electronics or liquids from a suitcase that is already wrapped in film. The new smart security technology, which is already successfully operating at Hamad International Airport in Qatar, will help to avoid such situations. At the same time, passengers do not need to take out any items from their suitcase at all. Smart security also provides a high rate of detection of suspicious items and a low level of false positives, which contributes to fewer random checks. All this significantly speeds up the process of passing through customs control and makes it more tourist-friendly. The new Istanbul airport is one of the most popular transfer hubs in the world. Therefore, for many tourists, the question of where to sleep or just relax between flights is especially important. To solve this problem, special sleeping capsules, called IGA sleep pods, are designed to provide passengers with a secluded place to rest before they board their flight. This design includes a place to store hand luggage and is equipped with everything necessary for a comfortable stay, including Wi-Fi, USB ports, and sockets. The cost of renting a capsule is €9 per hour, and for an additional €2, passengers can take a pillow, pillowcase, and blanket. Travelers who have no desire to stand in long lines of fast food at Incheon Korean Airport can pick up their order from robot delivery service Airdaily. The service device was developed by LG Electronics and will deliver food and drinks from Baskin-Robbins, Boris Baguettes, and 2 Dunkin' establishments located in this air harbor. To use the service, scan the QR code located on the back of the seats at the airport to install a special application on your gadget and place an order. After that, the robot will promptly bring food even to the most distant gates of the terminal. If, during your delicious lunch, you forget about time and need to urgently find your flight, an Airstar electronic attendant will come to your aid. LG's guide robots are equipped with a voice recognition platform and can verbally communicate in 4 languages that are most commonly used at Incheon Airport: Korean, English, Chinese, and Japanese. If you do not understand Airstar, you can just touch it and find the information you need in the interface of its belly. By connecting to the airport server, the device will report the current landing time, location of stores and restaurants. After scanning the boarding pass, the device accompanies the lost or late traveler to the boarding gate. The use of alternative methods for generating electricity is becoming increasingly popular, especially in the Middle East. Abu Dhabi International Airport has launched an interactive track that converts passengers' steps into energy. The system is equipped with special electromagnetic generators that cover an area of 16 square meters every day. Approximately 8,000 people pass through, providing enough energy to power the information board and illuminate the passage itself. This project was developed by the energy firm Masdar in partnership with a British clean technology company and is the first of its kind to be used in a commercial airport in the Middle East.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel Top News Info.